Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Bafna and I welcome you for yet another episode of our series Startup Talks. Here we are going to bring you entrepreneurs, startups, idea hubs, initiators to inspire you all. So today the organization which is joining me for conversation is a startup PrepMate EduTech. Talking about PrepMate EduTech, it is a startup which was founded in 2015 with a vision of enabling access of very high quality and conceptual educational content through mix of print and digital model at low cost in an attempt to create enabling educational environment for highest level of life outcomes. In their Envy Award, they have taken attempt to undertake research in the aspect of technology and deliver the real life experience to the reader, and they have introduced print digital model to civil service preparations in India and have authored two series of 10 books each, which is available in English and as well as in Hindi medium for civil service preparation, which is published by Seninge Learning as a part of their digital model. And they have also developed a web portal called prepmate.in. So the speaker today who are going to represent the PrepMate EduTech is the founder and CEO, Shubham Singhal, sir. I welcome you, sir.
Yeah, hi, Sanjay.
Yeah. So before starting with our, conversation ahead relating to the startup, I would like to know what was your journey, how you started this, what was your journey before PrepMate, and how you came up with this idea.
All right. So before starting PrepMate, I was running an institute for civil services preparation. I started this institute in 2011 by the name of Shubham's IAS. It was based in Sector 38, Chandigarh. So during the course of coaching, I was contemplating as to how I can make myself available to more students, and how can I have a larger outcome in the society. So fortunately, I got an opportunity to come up with a series of books with a international level publisher, that is Cengage Learning. Cengage is a basically American publisher, and they have subsidiary in India.
Okay.
So we came up with English medium books, and our concept is that within the books we have we have a coupon code, and when a student applies the coupon code, student get access to a series of videos related to the same subject. So that
Okay.
way, we thought that not just providing the content in the form of books, will be able to provide the video content as well. Also, student can connect with us through WhatsApp. Like now we have a base of more than 50,000 subscribers on our WhatsApp. So on daily basis, we share them the current affairs, and whatever doubts the readers of our books have, they ask us through the WhatsApp, like the questions they have, or sometimes it gets difficult for them to understand some concept, or sometimes it may be some information about the exams. So that way, this is like different from a traditional set of publishing where an author writes a book and then there is no contact between the student and the author. Here, what we have enabled is that this is a basically two-way process. We have written the books, student can read those books, student is in direct touch with us, students can ask us doubts, and we also feel that by establishing this contact, it is also motivating for the students to read the books, because most of the times what happens is students buy the books but they do not read it. So by this approach, we have been able to enhance the readability of our books. Plus, the videos are on the like difficult topics, so they also encourage the students to understand understand the reading material, and
Right, sir.
learn more concepts. So in our books, like wherever we have put the video for the topic, we have a marking for the students that they can also have a video for this topic. So this is the basic model that we have. So presently we have
Great.
done for UPSC, English and Hindi
Yeah.
medium. We are planning to come up with other courses as well.
Very inspiring, sir. Of course, on the website, when we visit, we can see the list of subjects which is provided and the services which is available. So, sir, what is the format? Like how the journey starts on the point of view of a student, like how he can get in connectivity with PrepMate and how he can start his preparation. So, can you give an insight on that?
Yeah, yeah. There are two ways students can connect with us. The first approach is by starting after starting to read our book. For example, a student purchases our book from the market. Uh, in the inner page of the front cover, there is a procedure as to how student can register on the website and connect to us through WhatsApp. Plus, we also encourage those students who have not yet purchased our books. They can also directly connect to us through WhatsApp. Like if a student sends their name, city, and email ID on our WhatsApp number, which is 75979 penta 0. If they send this name, city, and email ID on our WhatsApp, then we add them to our broadcast list, and then they become part of the community. So this is
Okay.
the process of joining us.
Okay, great. So, sir, what materials do PrepMate provide, starting with the civil service material itself? So, what phases? Like there is a prelims, there is mains, and there interview. So, what phases do PrepMate cover?
We provide material for all the three phases: prelims, mains, as well as interview. Conventional subjects like polity, history, geography, economy, science and tech, international organization, bilateral relations, and so on, as well as current affairs. So basically, we provide complete solution to the students for cracking civil services examination, both UPSC and state services.
Mm. So, sir, when I visit the PrepMate EduTech website, so there is the services available of books. As you mentioned earlier, there is services of videos also. You provide videos for certain concepts and all. So, where that material can found, is it accessible through websites or there is another subscription thing?
Yeah, yeah. Our books are available across the bookstores all over India, as well as online platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart, Goodreads, and all those platforms. So books can be purchased everywhere. The digital content, the videos and the PDFs, they are available on our website.
Okay, so I can see the board behind you, sir. What is the story of that? So that is very attractive thing if you can see
So
in your
the
background.
thing is, board is basically not the board. It is basically things to do, like what I want to do. If I have something in mind, it struck my mind and I write it down so that I do not forget it. Or it is like constantly inspiring that you have to do this thing, you have to do this thing. So that helps me. So I'm a big fan of whiteboards. I have like a large board in my room, and there are like small boards kept everywhere in my house. We are also
So
like working from home only from the last now I think 1 year, 3 months. So
was
it is like home based
starting
setup.
from the pandemic, of course, it has
Right,
definitely hit us, and you can say we had to move for work from home situation. But
right.
of course, so as you mentioned earlier that before the journey in the PrepMate started, he was teaching at Rahul IAS. So, sir,
Shubham's IES. Shubham's IES. It
Shubham's
was on
IAS.
my name. Uh-huh.
Okay,
Yeah.
Shubham's IAS. So that is still going on, sir. Do you teach?
I basically I decided to utilize my time in a better manner. So it is basically when you are like teaching students in a physical classroom, then what you have to do is uh, a set of batch comes, you have to teach them. Then the next set of batch comes, you have to teach the same thing, but to different set of students. So
Correct.
with books and videos, what you have done is the content which you used to teach for to every batch, you have made a product out of it. So now you can do more things in your life. So that is the like basic approach.
Okay.
And you have also reduced the cost of that drastically. So earlier when we used to take classroom course, so the fees were very high because that was like demand of the cost that we used to incur. Now the cost of the course is approximately 1/20th due to the books and the videos. But the reach has increased, I would say, thousands of times. Now we have like more than 5 lakh students who are reading our books. So all those students are like using our content. That's a big thing for us. If we would have been restricted to the classroom coaching, then we would not have been able to generate that kind of impact.
True, sir, very true. And the impact is really fruitful, I can say. 5 lakh students, it is not a shorter strength. Of course, it is a
Right.
big strength we can talk about. Sir,
Yeah.
as the journey we can see, PrepMate EduTech has developed its web portal itself. So I have visited the web portal and I can see their materials and sign-in options and everything. Easy browser tool is there. Sir, can we go through the journey of that website? So anyone who is currently watching us can get in touch with that website.
Yeah. You want me to open the website?
Yeah, sure, sir. If we can just have a live demo, like how PrepMate EduTech web portal,
Right, right.
gives you welcome to everything.
Okay. So I need to set the settings for the screen, right?
Yes, sir, screen share.
Can you just a second? This is uh, I have not. This is the first time I'm taking meeting on this Google Meet. Before that, I've taken meets on Zoom only. So I'm not able to, yeah, present your entire screen. I found the option. So I'm logging to the website. I just show you.
Okay. So there is a option in your screen that three dots is there, and just near that there is option of upload thing. The When you click that, it is a option of screen share.
Where?
Sir, on your screen, just near three dots, there is an option of square and a up arrow mark. So that is the
Okay,
option
okay.
present now.
Present a window.
Yeah, sir. Present a window.
Right. So, can you do it for me?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I'll just I
Can
have
you open
the
the prepment.in?
sure, sure, sir.
I think I've been able to do. Yeah, yeah,
Is the
yeah,
screen
I've been
visible,
able.
sir? Okay. So
I'm I'm able to do. I'll show you.
yeah, sure, sir. So I think
Right.
this is the entrance page when you enter into the website.
I'll show you how to operate it. So this is the like
Okay,
base base of the website. When you
okay, sir.
when a new student comes, then the student presses like on get started now.
Okay.
There the students have to register.
Sir, in the sign in option, right?
For the first time, you have to register.
Okay.
Then, for regular visa visitors or those who have already registered, they can sign in through uh, either Google or by inserting their details.
Okay.
So
So as soon as, okay, the page is
what
now visible. This is a login page and sign up now. It is also visible now.
once
Yes,
you
sir.
are logged in, then this is the section. This is the basically customized section for each student. So as you
Okay.
can see on my screen, this is the first one is the book readers section. These are
Okay.
the things which are available to book readers. Like there are
Okay.
videos and answer writing practices there, daily quizzes there for prelims. Then for interview preparation also things are there. Then the premium
Okay.
section, here you have your like schedule through which you can prepare for the exam. And then there are video courses, full-fledged video courses available for the students.
Okay.
Yeah,
I think it is very smooth to operate also. You just have to enter into the website and it is auto direct. You just have to sign in and log in. And
right,
there is
right.
different yes, sir. And
Yeah,
there is different options also available on the heading itself that you want to operate it in Hindi, you want IS preparation books, digital library is there, strategy is also there, blogs are also there. And I think the WhatsApp thing which you have mentioned and the YouTube content is also visible. So I can say website contains everything.
right, right,
Uh, so,
right, right. Yeah,
so what is your
yeah.
vision
Please.
with the content which you are providing to the students with the help of PrepMate? So what is your vision ahead? We can. What is your goal?
So
What is your
uh, my vision is twofold. First of all, what we have figured out in our model is that with the books provide us the reach to the students. Like books are a good source of reaching to the students, and they are also a source of good revenue for us. So what we want is usually what happens is the course fee is high and the printed material is provided for free to the students because the course
correct?
fee is very high. What we want to provide is that we want to provide the course free with our books. So it will be basically flip side approach, and that will be very cheap for the students in the sense that student will be buying only the book and they'll be getting the video course and or the complete preparation course for free along with that. So this is the thing that we want to do. Second thing is that because we are into book writing, like there are people who are working with us from last 7 8 years and they're like very good, very conceptually clear. They have helped us in writing the books and they are also making videos for us. So basically the people who have ability to write books, they are far better teachers. That's what I believe, as compared to see the a lot of teachers providing the coaching is like very huge. But if I have to pick the cream out of that, so they are the people who have this much of capability that they can write books as well. So that will basically would mean that you are providing the course along with the books, and you are providing a course which is being taught by a wonderful teacher. So that is the vision that we have, and we aim to replicate this model for other courses as well. Like I mentioned, that we are planning to enter into other courses as well apart from the civil services preparation. That is it.
Very, very inspirational, sir. And definitely we all will be waiting, for the other availability of courses as well. And moving towards my last question to you, sir,
Yeah.
what you want to say to the viewers watching us, what code they should follow while doing their preparation, and what things that is should be taken care to get yourself motivated and stick to the plan, because in this time the most difficult thing is to do is to stick to a plan. So how you
Okay.
code this thing, sir?
Uh, as far as civil services preparation is concerned, I feel that discipline is the most important thing. A student should not waste even a single day. I mean, it should not happen that a student is wasting a complete day and the student has not prepared anything in that day. So one should follow a tight schedule and one should be careful while wasting one's time. This is the first advice that I would want to give. Second thing is exercise is important. No matter how much studious you are or how much effort you are ready to put in for your preparation, but exercise helps in preparation. So it is important to keep a 1 hour of exercise daily, and apart from that, one should restrain one's other activities apart from civil services preparation. That is what the exam demands. So that is these are the two things that I would say to students who are preparing for civil service. Third, a basic thing that I would also want to add, that what happens with the students is that they think that the civil services syllabus is too large. So they keep on like collecting books and they only read the books. They do not learn the material and they do not well understand and learn the material. So that is important that they should focus on learning rather than just reading the material, because whatever is learned is their asset. Whatever is only read will not generate anything for them because they'll forget that information. So learning and revision is the key for qualifying civil services.
And in the introduction of prepmate we have seen that, because when we open the thing, the introduction says that a student starts from 6th standard ncrt, 7th standard ncrt, 8th, 9th, 10th standard, so taking I
Yeah,
think almost 600 days, and he just forgets everything at the last. So that is very true.
this is the problem that civil services aspirants face, that they start with 6th to 12th class NCRTs.
Yes, sir.
So they make up approximately 60, 70 books. So it is almost like impossible for student to read all those books and to learn them. So student have to be careful while choosing their study material, that they should select that study material which is relevant for preparation of exam. They should not read the same topic from multiple sources. For example, let's say solar system is covered in 6th geography as well, it is covered in 9th geography as well, it is covered in +1 geography as well. So they should try to cover one topic from one source only. That will help them in saving their time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great, sir. And I can say this conversation is really insightful pointers, with all insightful pointers. And thank you so much again for joining me today for this conversation.
Thank you
And
for having me here. It was nice talking to you. We have talked on phone earlier. This is the first
yes,
time that we are having a video call.
we
Thanks
actually
for having me.
seeing each other on video mode. Thank you so
Right.
much, sir. And
Yeah.
to all the viewers, you can follow us on our YouTube channel, that is Democratic Academy Club, and we are going to bring you more conversations related to the topic startup talks, where we are going to bring you various startups, entrepreneurs, idea hubs, initiators, everyone, to inspire you all. Thank you so much for connecting. Thank you, sir, once
Yeah.
again. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Okay. Bye. Bye.